Hi guys, welcome to today's tutorial. Today is going to be a very quick one, short one. Let's see how we did this in Adobe Illustrator. Let's jump right into it. So first of all, I'll draw my shape using the rectangle tool, and then I will use the table tool that is found under your line tool and draw a shape. So all I just need to do is when I select the table tool, I click and then I choose the number of rows and columns I want to use, and then I draw on the parts there. So I select the two of them, that's the background and also the tables, and I use the pathfinder tool to cut it. So it cuts into different parts. I'm going to select each of the parts I want to color. So I'm selecting all of them or highlighting all of them. Then when I'm done highlighting, I just use the eyedropper tool and color them. So the eyedropper tool, the shortcut is letter I, or you could also see the eyedropper tool right over there. And then now I'm going to be imputing my text. I jump into Gemini and I just told him to give me random text or phrases with 3 words while I try to impute all those words, all those phrases into the boxes. So this is just my prompt. So all I just need to do is pick up my text, then I begin to just place them right over everywhere. So it's not just anything fancy, just picking the text and placing them on different boxes. And yeah, that's almost everything. The rest is just me trying to highlight a particular shape. I'm still going to use the pathfinder tool, or this case the shape builder tool, to also do the cutout in this part. To just ensure that the lines are cutting through or passing the, then increase the stroke so I will be able to see the lines very well. I'm going to apply an effect. So I go to effect, distort and transform, and I go to roughen effects, and then probably reduce it and ensure it's smooth, and reduce the details of the effect. Then I could drop that down, drop the stroke down, select it, and also expand appearance so it becomes more, it takes the form of the effect instead of just having a straight line. And now I use the shape builder tool. So the shortcut for shape builder tool is Shift M. Hold down the Shift and you click on M. So you have to. So I begin to select the light colors or the bright colors of those orange colors, and I'll change it back into the bright colors of the green. So I'll use the green in this case. And yeah, that's how I made this. So all I just need to do is select the whole shapes and ensure that I reduce the stroke to probably 0. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one.